As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at grills. I see two Charbroil models. The Grill2Go X200, BO/OBF PMLI8, and the American Gourmet 3-burner, B08 T57 G768. What's the lowdown?
Okay, let's break it down. The Grill2Go X200 is all about portability. It's a small, single-burner grill, good for tailgating or camping. The American Gourmet, on the other hand, is a full-sized 3-burner grill.
Portability is great. What about cooking space?
Big difference there. The Grill2Go X200 has only 200 square inches of cooking surface. The American Gourmet has 454 square inches, enough to grill for a whole family.
Okay, so one's tiny, one's bigger. What about power?
The Grill2Go X200 has a 9,500 BTU burner, while the American Gourmet has 3 burners totaling 30,000 BTUs. So definitely more cooking power with the larger grill.
Sounds like the American Gourmet gets hotter, faster. What are the grates like?
The Grill2Go X200 has stainless steel grates. The American Gourmet has porcelain-coated steel grates. Both are good. Porcelain is typically easier to clean, though.
Good point. Anything else I should consider?
Yeah, the Grill2Go X200 uses a small propane tank, and it's designed to be carried around easily. The American Gourmet is a cart-style grill, so it stays put. It also has side shelves for extra workspace. Also, the American Gourmet is currently unavailable, so that's a bummer.
Right, availability is key. So if I want something I can just throw in the car, the Grill2Go X200 is the way to go. If I want a regular backyard grill and it was available, the American Gourmet would be better.
Exactly. It really depends on what you need. The Grill2Go is a great little grill, but it's limited in size. If you're mostly grilling at home and need space, the American Gourmet is definitely the better choice, assuming you can find it.
Got it. Thanks for the breakdown.
No problem. Happy grilling!
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.